he did BSc and working in the chai.
No, no, no.
No, last
Please,
time you
please.
also didn't.
No, no.
No. No, bro. Famous, like, since from 1937. That is honey. Amazing things here. Hello everyone. So today, right now, I'm in a place. This street is literally known as the kindest, warm greeting, and the most historical street. Street is completely busy street. There's so much crowd in this street. I'm literally excited to meet that famous man right here. Like there is one man, he's completely famous. There is so much, like, vegetables. Last time when I came, so he was here. That is the, chai wala. It's 70 years old, chai wala. So I came right here. Where is that person? Assalamu alaikum. Bye, chai wala kidhar hai? Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah. So this is that person. Last time he went viral. He is very famous on media.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you? How is your chai?
You are still here.
Yeah, I came back. I went and then came back. That is the milk right here. 4 or 5 months, right? I came.
Maybe 6 or 7.
6-7 months. Yeah, I came here and this is very famous, like, 70-year-old. Last time he told me this is 70-year-old, shop, chai wala. Oh, this is the fresh milk.
Another shop.
Another shop.
We came here to drink tea.
Ah, okay. To take tea.
His name is Abdullah.
Abdullah. And your name? I forgot. Nadeem. Yeah. Now I remember. If you haven't seen that video, you can watch. That is the most viral video on my channel. They have, these cups, multiple designs cups, and that's fruit selling. My cup of tea getting ready. Truck is going right over there. If this bridge fall, so that is crazy, literally.
You want to eat something or?
No, just a cup of tea. That's it. A cup of tea. Here we go. Let's check it. Bismillah. Wow, this is amazing. تعال يلا ست. This is amazing cup of tea right here. I'm literally enjoying the cup of tea. My brother, it's so sad. Like, there is literally no scope of education in Pakistan. I swear, like, I'm not going to blame it, but people are like, they should to be on the top, right? Like, he have done BSc, right?
Yeah.
And I just literally said that, how do you speak so well English, right? So he said, I have done BSc, right? He did BSc and working in the chai. So it's so sad. Like, the work is good. It's not that, like, 4 years, like, so much time he gave to study. So he should literally have any amazing job, right? Government of Pakistan to provide this man a job. So my cup of tea got finished, right? This is our payments, right?
Okay, bye. Oh, bro.
No.
We don't need.
No. I have to
Okay,
give.
no.
Last
Please,
time you also didn't.
No.
No, bro, no.
I'm not going rich on this.
No, I have to give it. No, please. Shukriya, bye. Wallah. Uqsam billah. Shukriya. No, I have to give the payment.
You are our guest.
Please.
If you want something,
Please.
just tell us.
Last time also, like, this is literally, the media will blame me that you are not giving payment, but it's not like this. Assalamu alaikum. He was very kind, like, literally amazing man. Like, so he told me after 2-3 minutes you can have that restaurant, like, kebab restaurant, very famous from 1937 is made that. Assalamu alaikum. Shop is from since 1937. So I came to the right place. Okay. So this is the kebab, chapli kebab. Yeah, someone someone told me that there is one shop that's very famous, like from since 1937, like this. Like, since from 1937, very famous kebab. He is also like from since 1937. The man is also from since.
No.
Oh shit! It's so much hot right here. Let's go. आपका name? Walid Abdullah. Very nice meeting you. For translation. Shukriya, bye. So let's Assalamu alaikum. تحية السلام عليكم. So camera no issue. Camera ما في مشكلة. That's super crazy. شكريا يلا السلام عليكم. Oh damn, that was so amazing. Like best best feeling ever when you meet locals and enjoy the stuff. They have wood right here. This is all the wood stuff. The light is literally by. There is no light. So this is my kebab right here. It's very famous since from 1937 maybe. Yeah, and that is the naan. Naan is very famous, like look at the naan. Best naan. Sauce, chutney, they call it chutney. Very amazing. Look at the naan. This naan is the best naan ever. Like, look at the naan. It's my favorite. And let's have a try. Bismillah. Shit, it's so much hot right here. Like, literally damn hot. And let's check out the bite. Oh, I'm not lying, the taste is super insane. Look at the the smoke. It's coming literally from the kebab. The best smoke is coming. Oh, it's so much hot. This bite is crazy. My favorite bite. It's very hot. Hot is also, and I'm eating spice, so then I'm sweating extra, okay? And that person told me also, if you want to buy, so tell them not to make it spicy. But sorry, I forgot. Man, he cannot talk. He cannot talk, like and still working here, like those who make excuses, right? This is special for them. Like, he don't make excuses because he cannot talk, but still he's working because he have somehow responsibilities. This man is literally like, it's very sad. Like, hot is outstanding hot. Literally, I'm sweating. I cannot eat more. It's so much spicy. I don't wanna insult it's bad, but it's spicy so much. आपका name? حسان. شكرا حسان. Fresh water by Ihsan. Shukriya. This is my payment right here.
Okay.
I'm gonna give payment to the man. Shukriya by payment I gave, and pop was literally so spicy, very spicy. I literally my throat was insane. Like, that's super crazy. Shukriya bhai, shukriya. Assalamu alaikum.